If you're new to WordPress, you've probably heard about plugins and themes, but what exactly are they and why are they important in 2025? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about themes. A theme controls the design and layout of your website. It determines how your pages look, the colors, fonts, and overall style. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes, which means you can choose one that fits your brand and then customize it further to make your site unique. Whether you want a blog, portfolio, business website, or online store, there's a theme for every purpose. Now, plugins are like apps for your website. They add features and functionality that your site doesn't have by default. For example, you can add SEO tools, contact forms, social media integration, e-commerce systems, membership features, and more. There are over 60,000 plugins available, giving you endless possibilities to enhance your website. The beauty of WordPress is that themes and plugins work together. You pick a theme for your site's look and then use plugins to add functionality, making your website both beautiful and powerful. For beginners, this means you can create a professional website without coding. For advanced users, you can customize both themes and plugins further to get exactly the functionality you want. In short, themes control appearance, plugins add functionality, and together they make WordPress an incredibly flexible platform for any website in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips, tutorials, and advice on building your perfect WordPress website.